talking. Quick, Lola. Let's go. You ready?
There's flashes ahead!
Oh, that was so unlucky, wasn't it? Oh no! Here comes a big one! Here's a big one. Hey!
Raptors, here comes your first test! Brace yourself!
You can sit up, you're alright. Okay, Lola, I'm going in a tunnel now, look. Ready, you gotta shout echo. Look, you can see where we're going now. Ready? Echo! Oh, that's dribbled on. Echo! Oh, this is good, isn't it? Wow, round and round. Oh! Yeah, we'll be alright.
Please remain seated!
Come on, you can sit properly. Promise, you'll be fine. You don't have to hold your book. Look, you can hold on to it. You go? Oh no, I can't see where I'm going now, Lola. I'm going backwards. Whoa! Oh! Hey! Oh! You see all that water coming? Oh! Oh, splashed!
If you let them step, watch out, because that's where the water comes in.
You raptors are rocking the river!
Ready, smile for the camera.
Seated!
See that camera? Oh. Oh no.
Time to put your skills to the test! The
Ready.
Congo's winning everything team! Go!
Oh no. Never mind. Oh no.
Please remain seated! Please remain seated! Please remain seated!
No. I got a splash
Please
from it.
remain seated!
Wow, that's good, wasn't it?
Please remain seated!
Someone's still
Please
on fire.
Crikey! Sit tight, team! These tricky waters aren't done with us yet!
Oh, still going. That's it, now we're finished. Oh, I like that one. Wow, I'm going high now, Lola.
We do ask to remain seated.
Sorry.
Escapism, if ever there was, drifting through the air, floating above the clouds, flying with the birds, taking in the view.
Wow, Lola, look at that water fountain all the way down
It
there.
might interest you to
See it?
The gardens here have
Wow, that's well.
vibrant green and pleasant
well.
flowers that we
Well,
see.
I am, well, I am.
Extensive rabbit warren was how it was described
Panda?
by the 15th Earl in the early 19th century, situated in one of the wildest,
Wow, look at that all the way down there, look.
I heard a
the
werewolf
gorgeous
then.
greens that we
Did you hear it?
all stem from beautiful growth. Because of course one marvellous magical ingredient that keeps the park flowing along nicely is, well, water.
Think of Overwatch.
Not just any old
No.
water. No. Every lake, cascade, fountain or general
Somebody did that
water in Alton
Oh, did you wave?
is served by the natural springs of the nearby Weaver Hills.
Wait.
Next time you hear a order, you can rest assured that the water you see
You're not
here
waving
is
your target,
some of the
you
very
have to
finest
sit
in the
in,
land.
facing up.
Now, while we're talking water, you may have been
Let me
blown
stop.
by the jaw
We went over the hill.
of some of our rollicking great
Bouncing,
rollers.
Lola's bouncing.
And
Hey.
we have heard that there are some pretty large things lurking within our lakes too. The natural water here has made a whole family of them living
well,
under one of our
fries,
lights by
Lola.
day before coming out to play when night falls.
That one's
It's always the
fast.
quiet ones, I tell you.
Recent.
Alton Towers Resort has
Gonna
always
go, look, you see it there?
and the same could be said of the
That's how fast it is.
during his time here.
The-
He managed to grow his own bananas in the garden conservatory at a time when a banana was an incredibly
Come on, quick.
fruit.
I'm gonna miss it.
The present day
Come on, quick.
celebration
Go on.
hails
Quick,
the
celebrate.
mission of the 12 green-fingered gardens here today is to stay true to the Earl's vision. And that just leaves me to say with the Skyride now poised to drop,
press the button.
you've loved the ride. And we hope you've enjoyed the gardens to soak in their splendor. Enjoy the
Go on.
Alton Towers Resort.
Too slow.